Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this Halloween makeup look. It's half skeleton, half glam for those who want to be cute and also want to have that Halloween look. I actually did do this makeup look last year. It was done on a couple people. I did not do it on myself. I actually never done it on myself. So this was a first timer. If you guys want to learn how to do this masterpiece, just keep on watching. Alright guys, I know I probably look a little bit crazy right now because I only have half of my face done. But as you guys saw at the beginning of the video, this is half glam, half skull Halloween look, and my goal was to show you guys how to do the skull. First thing I'm going to do is grab my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. This is in color white. And what I'm going to do with this pencil, I'm just going to outline what's important, where I kind of want to focus. First, I'm going to start outlining the half of my face. Just like that. No, it does not have to be a straight line. No, it does not have to be perfect because we are going to be adding color, blood, cuts, you name it. As you guys can see, mine has a little bit of ridges. I kind of did that on purpose just so it doesn't look perfect. I don't want that line to be perfect. Alrighty, so I am going, I'm basing this look on a look that I have done before on a couple people. I've never done this on myself. So this will be a learning experience for both of us. Yeah, it shall be interesting. Let's hope I can do this because I'm looking at a mirror and at a camera right now and it's not easy. But let's see what we can do. So I'm just going to pretty much outline the eye of the skull. As you guys see, I'm pretty much outlining kind of where I'm going to be filling in like the color part. This will be black, so it's fine. I'm using white for now. But we are going to be coloring everything else in just a couple minutes. So today I will be using Fantasy FX makeup in black and white. This is just a makeup that I found at my local costume store. You can always find some at Halloween stores. It just depends. This is what I will be using today. So now that I have an outline going, I am going to start using the blacks and kind of begin the mouth of the skull. Add the paint towards the inside of your mouth, not totally inside, but just on your lips. Alright, so once I do the inside part, I'm just going to drag this all the way to right about here. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with the teeth. What I'm pretty much going to do is I'm just going to do lines across this line. I'm going to grab a bigger brush. We are going to start shading and filling in the skull part. And we're going to bring this down to kind of the middle part of where we drew the teeth. And we're just going to fill this in. Then we're going to bring this all the way down. So now with the teeth, we're going to go back in with a smaller brush, and I'm going to use the same black paint. And I'm just going to, instead of it looking like squares, I'm going to make it into little circles. Just closing in the corners. Once I have the U shape of the teeth, kind of like this, we're gonna go ahead, each tip, we're gonna make it split. So kind of gives it that teeth-like look. So now I'm gonna go ahead and grab the white paint and I'm just gonna fill in where the teeth are supposed to be. So with the black, I'm going to go ahead and draw a straight line from my jawline to half of my mouth. And we're going to fill in the spaces of the teeth, so only the white is visible. With that same black, I'm going to go ahead and fill in the nose. Now I'm going to go ahead and focus on the actual white part of the face. I am going to do my eyelash just because I don't want black paint getting in my contacts. So I'm going to use the white paint and a flat brush, and I'm just going to apply that all over my skin where I don't have any paint. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the eye. Alright, for the top part of the eye, it's just going to be like a little wing. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of shading. Now with the same black, very thin brush, I'm actually going to draw a black line right next to the white. And I'm actually going to grab some thick blood. Looks like that. And again, I'm dabbing because you don't want to smudge that black. This is the finished look. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also follow me on my social media. It is pinned down in my description box.